we've brought together 23 universities from across Pakistan with 21 American universities for faculty exchanges, collaborative research, curriculum development. And as you mentioned, I think that the future of any country is bright in terms of the greater number of PhDs that it creates, because a teacher himself and herself creates so much more understanding by virtue of the students that he or she teaches. And we just want to have that vector widen out in the future. We're also very keen, as Secretary Kerry has said, that no country can survive and benefit and grow if it doesn't educate half of its population of women, and we do want to continue and encourage the education of women. And they do, I think about half of the Fulbright graduates are women as well. And I just look forward to continuing the collaboration at the university level and create even greater historical dividends for our two countries.
Education, Science and Technology working group, which has been set up, to me is the most important intervention that has been undertaken in the recent past to develop more stronger relations in Pakistan. And let me propose that we are offering United States to create a Pakistan-US knowledge corridor, which will take our relationship into 21st century to newer heights.